In this video, we're focusing on algebraic expressions. This is the introduction to far bigger things for algebra, but we're going to start at the very beginning and have a look at a couple of things that are really important to know. So terminology-wise, looking at a pronumeral. A pronumeral is a letter that stands for a number, and they often, if not always, are written as a cursive letter. An algebraic expression, is numbers and pronumerals combined with any mathematical operations. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when we read these kinds of expressions, we have to understand the language in them. So when we're looking, for example, this question says here, write expressions for each of the following. There are key words in these 6 examples. More, more means add. Double means multiply. Sum means to add. Less means to subtract. Product means to multiply. And quotient means to divide. So you have to look for keywords that give you a clue as to what you need to do. So we're going to read through these and have a look at how you would write an expression based on these small sentences. So question 1 says 5 more than k. So we start with k and we go 5 more. So k plus 5. It's not 5 plus k because it says 5 more than k. It means k is the original starting point and we're adding 5 on. The second one here is double x. So we go 2 times x, and again x is cursive because it's a pronumeral, but that equals 2x. So we would write double x as 2x. The next one is the sum of 2x and 4y. So the sum means to add. So we would basically say, following the order that it's given to us, is 2x plus 4y. And that's all that we need to do. Let's take a look now at the next one. It says 3 less than m. So 3 less than m. It means that we start with m and subtract 3 off it. So the language is important to look at because it tells you whether the m or the 3 comes first, with the subtraction being the word less. Next one, the product of C and D. Now C and D says product, it's multiply. C comes before D in this scenario, so we go C times D, but that also equals CD. When we simplify this, the invisible multiplication exists, but we don't need to see it, so we take the multiplication symbol out and simply write CD. And you'll learn more about this as time goes on. And the next one is the quotient, which means to divide, of 5 and f. So it's basically saying the quotient, the division of 5 and f. So we go 5 over f, or 5 divided by f. So either way is correct, but it's important to remember the order as well. It says the division, the quotient of 5 and f. It means 5 divided by f.